Now, your home for all things Swahili. I am so excited that you're here, and I just wanted to do this brief video to show you where everything is and how to use this platform. So you might know by now that you actually get two ways of accessing the program. You have the web version of it where you log on to learnswahilinow.passion.io and you learn from there, or you have the app option, which is what most people prefer. So you simply download the app from the app stores if you have that capability, and you log on. So your courses are going to be here. So there's the homepage, which you're looking at right now, and then you have your courses. And under your courses, of course, I have a few courses here that are simple to gently introduce you to Swahili if you're a complete newbie. However, if you are not a newbie and you just want to jump right on, I highly recommend that you do the 5-day Swahili challenge. And what this challenge does, it simply helps you to focus your attention, create a game plan for yourself, and also start learning right away. So by day 5, you'll have created your own schedule. You'll have looked at what your big why is and just prepared yourself mentally to start on this big journey. Then once you're done with the 5-day challenge, this is when you get to jump into the actual course. So you'll notice I have a bunch of courses here, but this depends on what level you'll have signed up. So if you have signed up for the gold access, which is what most people, you will have done that, you will find the Master the Basics course, and this is the fundamental course that you need to take. This is what makes or breaks you. You will learn everything that you need to learn about Swahili fundamental concepts in this course. So module 1 introduces you to the basic tenses that you need to know, both affirmative and negation, and then module 2 is the noun classes. And because if you master these concepts, everything else in Swahili will be good and easy for you. And then once you have completed the basics program, then you have another course called Path to Fluency, and this course takes you from the low intermediate all the way to low advanced, and we cover concepts like competences, verb extensions, imperatives, and all the fun stuff that you need to know to talk and narrate stories and just have that absolutely natural conversation that comes with fluency. So, but most of you won't really need that until a little later. Now, I have prepared also a complimentary course for you that allows you to grow your vocabulary as you grow. In this course, you'll notice initially I do not emphasize vocabulary because vocabulary in itself will not help you. You need to know where everything fits, and then learn the vocabulary that you need to convey those concepts. So the course that I have created for you is called Ignite Your Swahili. And what it has, it's sample dialogues that you can listen to at your free time. And those dialogues come with transcripts or subtitles so that you know what they're talking about if you're relatively new in Swahili. And then I've also prepared for you Swahili phrases. These are things that you just need to know so that when you hear them, you'll know what they're talking about, and you're also able to respond accordingly. So when you're learning the foundational concepts and then you complement them with this grammar, with the phrases and dialogues, then you have a well-rounded approach to the Swahili language. Now, so you now know how to access your courses, but there's a very important part of this program that I hope that you take advantage of, and this is the community. So depending on what level you've joined, and let's say you have joined in at the basics or gold access, you have this here. And I have different channels, and here, like, these are like thoughts of the week. So I'll post something to encourage you, a tip that I think you might find useful. And then also we have greetings and introduction. So this is where you can come in and just say who you are and just introduce yourself to the group. Some people are shy, but I encourage you to try that. And then this is the accountability post, because you do not have access to direct coaching from me. So I'm not necessarily checking in on you as I do with my inner circle students, but this allows you to come in here and say day 1 done, day 4 done, and so on and so forth, and this helps you stay accountable. Now say you have questions for me, you can come in here and simply ask those questions and I will answer you. Like for instance, this student says, is there a Swahili dictionary that lists their nouns by their noun class? I will definitely get back to her about that. And here we can see a conversation that we had. Let's see. Okay, so you can see this is the type of support I give you, even though you're not an inner circle student, because I want you to have as much support from the program as possible. Another way to keep yourself accountable is this, and this is simply tracking. And like you can see, anytime you complete a lesson, you can come in here and check in, and then that way you can maintain a streak, and that can be motivating to you if you're the type of person that requires streaks to keep you going. Okay, so let's say you have done all you need to do and you're like, okay, maybe I now want to make sure you know where everything is. So you will, if I have texted you or I have a message in the community, you're going to have a notification here. So when you log on, you'll see a note here, and that will tell you there's a message that you've missed or there's a post that you've missed, and so on and so forth. We are working on external notifications. That way, if you opt in, you can see them just like push notifications that you get on your phone. Now, say if you want to cancel, maybe your circumstances have changed, this is where you come. You simply go to your account settings and look at your subscriptions, and here it says manage your subscriptions, and here is where you can actually cancel your subscription. Hopefully you won't need that for a while, but I just wanted to make sure you know where to go. So you are self-contained in this program. So I really hope that you found this particular video helpful, so that you know how to navigate your platform and how to work things around. I wish you all the best, and I can't wait to celebrate your success.